Ujunwa. Abianuju. Abianuju, I know you're hiding somewhere. It is better you come out, oh. Come out, oh. Come out, you didn't go phone off. Come here. How many times have I told her not to be touching my phone? How many times will I tell you not to call me? No. Is your mother like me? No. No. Do I look like that your cursed mother?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
I hope you have finished the work I gave you at the farm.
Yes, I finished everything.
Where's your bench?
I don't know.
Hey! Even the Bible says be your brother's keeper. You don't know anything. You're just a dummy.
Mama, as you're looking for Ujunwa, she's not around. What do you want her to do? I will do anything you want to do for you.
You'll do anything?
Yes, Mama.
What ne? You go phone. Ne well. You go phone. I told her not to touch my phone. Obikanya. She went and broke my phone.
Mama. About the phone. It's not Ujunwa that broke the phone. No. It's me. Please. It was a mistake. I'm sorry.
You broke my phone.
Mistake. The phone, I wanted to carry it from.
No. I saw one of them.
No, it's where you get.
Mama, push me. Let her die. You hold on to.
Please, Mama, sister will not die. Mama, stop.
It is bad enough that I look up to you. Come here.
Mama, this your thing is not fair. You want to kill her? Say you're pressing her neck.
If for that phone, you will buy it.
Repair it.
Repair it. Phone my business. You will buy it.
Mama, because of phone, you want to kill her because of ordinary phone.
Are you mad? Whose phone is ordinary? My phone? You called my phone ordinary. My phone I kept and she went and collected it and broke the screen. Huh?
Mama, just see the way you're pressing her neck now. It's not nice. It's not fair. Do you want to kill her?
Go phone. If not, also. You come here. Nonsense.
Sister, why did you do it? Why do you always accept something that you're not guilty of?
Do you know I can never stand to see Mama punish you? I love you very much. But I can't keep taking faults for your action. You have to do better. I told you not to touch her phone, but you will not listen. Now see the thing I'm going through because of you. It's not fair. Sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Miko, it's okay. It's okay. Just try to do better. Would you pick up? So that I will not just be suffering unnecessarily.
No problem, I agreed you. But why does she not like you referring to her as mother? I mean, your mother is dead and she's the only mother you have now in your life.
I just know that one day Mama is going to change. Yes, start seeing me as her daughter. But in the meantime, just do it.
Bring it down. Mama is not coming now. Bring it down. Bring it down, just
I support you in all that you do. One name, I always stand for you, no matter what you do. Alele Bugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and nafo. Alele Bugabo, Chimo, enough for wife.
They pay them like 2,000 or 3,000 every day on a daily basis. Do you understand? And my phone screen you broke is 29,000.
Mama?
Mama Guinea.
that phone, the new one is not up to 29,000.
Buy me a new phone, no. Buy me a new phone. I don't care how much it is. Any amount I put is my own. You will be working here. You know how long it will take you to be able to raise that 29,000. Okay, ma.
Okay, Mama.
Idiot.
Sorry, Mama, sorry.
I think I'll start slapping you each time you call me Mama. How can you do?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
Do I look like your stupid mother? Nonsense.
It's just my school. You know my school. I have to go to school in the morning. I can be coming here in the afternoon to work after school, so I will not miss my classes.
Then only half day. If you start doing half day, you know how long it will take you to get that money for my screen? You will be coming here from 6 to 6, full day job. Yes, call Benkenke, so that they will pay you and my money, my phone, you fix it for me. Whether you like it or not, 6 to 6. Bianna, come. Who be now, Oga? Who be Oga here?
Ma.
Go check whether I see that around.
Ma, what do we go do for you?
I won't see her.
You won't see her?
Nne. What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
But I left food for you now.
No, Mama, I don't want to eat that one. I don't want to eat that one. I want to drink mineral.
Must you drink mineral all the time? Okay. Ebena. You know where my purse is? Go there, collect money and go and buy mineral.
Mama, thank you.
Get me water to drink, because. Hey!
This is pure wickedness. Mama, what is stand to gain? This is pure wickedness. Sister, what is stand to gain? I love you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you in all that you do. One name, I always stand for you, no matter what you do.
No, they open mouth like that, may you no swallow me.
Okay. Alpha. Tomorrow morning, you guys should carry the remaining box in. Then you know they are working tomorrow. You're a strong girl, okay. How many work you do today? Enjoy it. Wow.
You do something for us. You give home 3,000. You give us 3,000. Wow.
You know the shame.
Wow.
You know the shame. Woman walk past you.
Wow.
You like Bruce Lee.
Just coming. This is where you're going to sleep. You are sleeping outside today. Okwam ki ji egwu. Eh? Shut up! Again, I'll slap you. And all your teeth will fall on the floor. Who do you think I am? Eh?
Sorry, I promise you I was robbed and I was coming back.
Shut up! You think I'm stupid?
They stole the money from me.
Who stole it?
Snatched the money from me.
You think I'm stupid? I'll send you to go and make money. You come back without the money. You tell me they robbed you.
Mama, I swear on my mother's grave, I am not lying.
Does your mother have a grave? Eh? That your stupid mother ain't were foresight. If she had foresight, she wouldn't have named you Blessing. She would have named you a curse because that is what you are. You will sleep here. This is where you will sleep.
Okay, Mama, I'm going to sleep here, but I'm hungry. I've not eaten anything today. I'm going to faint.
You're hungry. I would be the one to cook the one you eat. You go out there and nonsense. I'll stay here, cook, and you want to eat it. This is your bed tonight. Sleep here. Hey! Please, I will. You think I'm stupid? You call him cock and bull story. And I'm not.
Don't lie. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not.
Good morning, Mama.
What is good about this morning? Eh? You want to sleep till 11 a.m. Chiophobe. Mokem. Wash this bucket. Wash it thoroughly in and out. Don't enter my house like this. Pass through the backyard.
This is pure wickedness. Mama, what is stand to gain? This is pure wickedness. Sister, what is stand to gain? I loved you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you.
Eat. You need the food more than myself. Oh? Libe.
I am ready to go to work.
I was talking. Couldn't you have allowed me finish? Sometimes you behave like somebody who lacks home training.
Sorry, Mama.
Eh?
Sorry.
What did you say?
That I'm ready to go to work.
Hey, go now. You want to take me along?
No.
If you like, you know the money they will pay you. Throw it away. Come home and give me one cock and bull story. Of course, you know the consequence. You know, okay?
I'll sleep outside.
Good.
But Mama, this is not fair. Let her at least eat and...
Will you shut up? You eat and do what? Eh? No, finish your sentence now. Let her eat and choke or eat and die, idiot. Are you still here? Get out, sir. Nonsense.
Mama, this is not good. This is wickedness. It's not good.
I don't blame you. It's because I gave you food to eat. If I had eaten this food without giving you, would you have had strength to come and talk to me anyhow? One day, one day you will anger me. I will slap you and forget my hand on your cheek. Stupid idiot.
Oh my God, Mama, ouch.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mama, it's not fair.
Stupid girl.
It's not fair now.
Defender of the universe. Come and eat, Osa. Come and eat.
See, Ebuka, what happened? I noticed that Arize was embarrassing you at the stream. What did you do to him? He do 5K because of 5K. That I'm owing that idiot, that boy. That boy harassed me. In fact, to a point of even threatening my life. Me, Ebuka, has it gotten to the level that you could not afford ordinary 5,000 naira? Are you that broke?
Is that one a joke or what? Are you not aware of my financial situation? Which one is that one? I beg you.
You don't have financial institution. Don't you have a girlfriend?
And so what? Does she work? Does she have any job? The one that works or the one that is jobless? Which one is that?
Oga, have you asked your girlfriend money? Have you? Even if you don't have money, her mother might have. Or her brother. Or even her boyfriends.
Do you have seen me finish? This is pure see finish. Who is the boyfriend now? Me now? I will ask myself for money now.
Okay, you think you are the only boyfriend that she has? See, let me tell you. If you have a girlfriend, ask your girlfriend money. All these are our girlfriends. They have money. And don't think you are the only guy that she's dating. She have one other guy that might be spoiling her with money. You'll be here for me. You are the girlfriend, you are the boyfriend, you are the boyfriend, you are the lover. One guy will just come from nowhere, marry her, and you will not gain anything.
I swear to God, you do since I met you, since I've known you. This is the first reasonable point you've made. See all this.
You will be there for me, boyfriend. Oga, ask your girlfriend money. All these guys you are seeing, they have money. Oh.
I've been sleeping. Oh.
They have guys that are giving them money. Always ask your girlfriend money. They have money. Your girlfriends are your investment.
Not like investment, you too. Okay, I will have like 5 girlfriends.
No, I'm telling you, I'm thinking of increasing my girlfriend. You are there. Someone is embarrassing you because of.
I've agreed, but maybe we'll have girlfriends in investment.
Hello. Now you're going.
Hey, how are you?
Sir. I'm fine.
I was coming to your house, actually.
So
you took this shortcut, eh?
But let's go back because I wanted to go to the market.
No need for me to go back. Okay. I brought this for my niece because I wanted to go and see my doctor to collect some drugs. Now that I've seen you, no need to go back with you.
Okay.
We'll just go home.
Okay. Which of your nieces?
Ngozi now.
Oh, meaning Uju is not your niece.
Come on, look, Amaka, I didn't say so now. Uju is my niece, but you know Uju is covered. So Ngozi now needs special pampering, you know what I mean? So I just brought it. Please, when you cook them, make sure you give a very large portion to Ngozi.
I will.
Okay.
I will. Thank you, Nai. Thank you very much.
And I hope you started treating her like your own daughter.
Why not? Of course. You can verify from her.
Oh, I trust you. Even this your smile is telling me that you are telling me the truth.
Thank you, Nai.
Okay,
thank
so
you very
let
much,
me be going there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much,
All
sir.
right, bye-bye.
Oh, bye. Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
What are you doing here?
I brought food for you.
Hey, Joe, you shouldn't have come now. I'm suffering enough. Do you want to put me in more trouble?
Sister, no. It's just that I've been feeling guilty. Because I know that your suffering today is because of me. Hey, you've been taking the blames. You've been receiving punishments that were even meant for me. Hey, I'm at peace today with my mother. It's all because of you. Nembikono. Eh? Just eat this food. The least I can do is bring food for you to eat.
Joa, if I eat this food, your mother will find out. She'll kill me.
Don't worry. I will tell her that I'm the one that ate it. Just eat the food. I know you're hungry. Don't let my stress to go in vain.
Mama will kill me.
She will not know. Eat.
Water. You got water?
I know.
Thank you. Come on, eat now.
It's me. I'm full already. It's sweet, Abby.
It's very sweet, though.
Mama made it.
Mama can cook.
Hey, sister, you try, you know. How are you carrying all these blocks?
Okay. It's not easy. But see, after finishing this food now.
Just eat. I'll take the plates back.
Okay.
Babe, I really need money. I really need money.
How much?
5K.
5K.
Yeah.
Hey, babe, you can afford it now. What is 5K?
No, now, babe, I did some job. They have not paid me yet. So I'm kind of
broke for 5K. You're a big boy, baby. Stop, Joe. Why do you want to form my hand?
Babe, no, I'm serious. Seriously, if I don't pay that guy, the next embarrassment will be bloody. Babe, I know.
So don't do it to do now.
Babe, no, just find a way to raise it for
me. Raise 5K for you. From where? You know I'm not working now.
The guy will next embarrassment. You have given like 500 pieces for this private girl.
Are you sure you can carry? Please don't.
Good evening.
Oh, how'd you go? Kadu?
How the mask? Gara here. Oh, thank God I met you here.
Can I mean? God forbid, though. What are you saying? That you saw my daughter with a man kissing?
I don't have water in my mouth.
Biojugo, are you sure it was my daughter you saw? Or my stupid stepdaughter?
It's not Ngozika.
I
know who I saw.
Ewa.
Caution your daughter. Caution her before she brings unwanted pregnancy to you.
Fear! Clean your mouth. You did not say so. Biko. Stop using such language to describe my daughter again. I'll try one again. Don't try it, or you go. Before they will say now Kamaka has insulted somebody. Biko Pachal Kwanya. Listen.
You know what I'm saying. And you know it's very, very possible if you don't contain her affairs with men.
If somebody hears you now, the person will think my daughter is a prostitute. You don't keep her affairs with men. Okay, they do.
Ukamaka, I don't have strength to. Bikokwa. Let's stop this whole drama. Let's stop arguing. Remember, tomorrow is our women's meeting. Endeavor to be there. Okay? Bye-bye.
Cheerful. Yes, tomorrow is women's meeting. Jealousy. Because you don't have a daughter of your own. If you go and chapo get us alibagi bieno. Of course, one will have suwogi. Nonsense. Okay, no wire. Nonsense. I'm taking it up with
Obi. I'm fine. How are you? See your mouth. How did you go?
I'm just asking.
Okay, fine. This is the money.
But I took it from under my mother's pillow. I stole it from my mother's pillow. I think it should be more than what you asked for.
Babe, I asked for 5K. This is more than 5K. This is about 8K.
8K. Yeah.
Oh, you're a darling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love
so,
you more. Yeah.
please, make sure you give it to the person you're owing.
I will.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
No, it won't happen. No, you so. Don't even say anything. My God. Are you?
It's
I love
okay.
you. I swear to God, I love you. I love you so
too.
much. Seriously, this is the reason I tell people you need to have a girl like my girl.
Oh.
Yes, I always tell people like if you know the kind of girlfriend I have, man, you're an angel. Seriously, you're an angel.
I told you it will work. It will work. You don't know these girls. They have money. They have money, oh.
You said it. Edu, you are a gem.
See, when it comes to the ladies, leave it for Edu. Now maybe Edu for the girls. Edu, why?
You calm down.
I have dealt with a lot of ladies. Let me tell you, it's supposed to be the ladies giving us money, not the other way around. The ladies have dealt with the men. This is our time to get the money back.
I asked for 5K. This girl gave me more than 5K.
Okay? That what you gave is just a little. She will give you more.
Calm down. You think if I follow your mouth, I'm going to steal from my mother. Calm down. You
keep
calm down.
asking your girlfriend for money.
Calm down. God, let me take you out. Can take you get out.
Take me out.
I didn't tell you now. Come on.
Have you settled Arize? Have you given Arize his money?
Who got it?
The debt you are owing now. You don't owe Arize money.
Is that the name of a place? Animal place? Nah, I can carry Arize. Settle, we settle. You go car guy,
you are playing with fire.
Are you eating or not? Are you going out or not?
It's not like I don't want to drink.
It's not like when I be there. You to follow me. Let's go.
It's not like I don't want to drink.
Go.
How will I say I want drink?
You go back and you don't want drink.
How will I say I want drink? But I go still drink. You better settle Arize.
Ngozi. Negugu. Ogini ki na abu mu. So it has gotten to this level that you go to my pot and you will even use the plate I use in eating.
No.
Dish food and start eating.
No, that wasn't how it happened though.
Ezuku, how did it happen?
When I came back, I was very, very hungry. Uju was around. She saw that I was very hungry.
Yeah.
So she brought out this food in this pot, this remaining small food, and she gave me to eat.
Is this what you're calling small food? She gave you to eat?
Yes, Mama.
As what? The person who cooked the food or the owner of the house, because you're eating in the plate of the owner?
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The only person you should be sorry for is yourself. Because, you will not eat anything in this house for 1 week.
Hey!
Kolo?
Mama, 1 week is too much now. I'm going to disappear.
Disappear?
Let me just go and keep it.
Come on, keep what? When you have already finished eating it. No, Lichagonia. Okwagi? Ewu? Oti kwanyano? Look at this girl. Come and eat again, let me see. Agu eburogi, let me see. See food that I kept for my dog. My dog and my goats. He's sure to go near. Oh, there's no point. She did not even eat only rice. In my plate.
Mama, please now, please. You know I'm your only beloved daughter.
I don't care. I don't care. Give me my money. Give me my money. The money I kept under my pillow. You're the only one that has access to my room. So, Biko, give me my money now.
Mama, not with your money. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, you're still lying. You're lying up here.
Mama, wait first. I'll confess. Just wait first.
Start your confession.
The truth is that
I took the money. That I stole it.
He said,
The truth is that I'm the thief.
Of course, you know I will not believe that.
Oh, Mama, you just don't know me very well.
Kokwana.
They stole it. But Mama, it was for a reason, no? I broke Mama Chinaya's 2 crates of egg, and I didn't have any money on me to pay back, so I stole the money to pay my debts.
You were the one who stole my money, and you were hiding there watching me. I almost killed my own child. Eh? You stole my money up here, and you have spent it. That's no problem. I want you to choose how you want to die.
Hey!
Meanwhile, I'll be waiting for you inside. Okay? There's no problem. Please.
But you didn't do it now. Eh?
I know, but I was watching. I couldn't just stay there and do nothing. She was going to hit you with that pistol.
But she won't kill me now. My child, she won't kill me.
Where did you steal the money? Now, where did you steal the money?
So what are we going to do now?
What are we going to do? I don't know. I don't know. She's going to kill me.
Hey! Get out! Get out! Get out! Mama, it has not gotten to this now. It has not gotten. It will get to me. You think Papa give him go say call?
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair. You know I was the one that stole your money and not her.
What are you trying to do? Defend her?
I'm not defending her, Mama. You know, what will people say? It's not fair. What do you think people will say?
Let them talk. If you do good, they will talk. You do bad, they will talk. Let them talk. Nakwanya, don't be very careful. Be careful.
Mama, I'm going to bring her back to this house and you will not stop me. You will not stop me. I'm going to bring her back.
Hey. Try it. Bring her back here. If he me, he are mad than Benabo. Ofubo, okay? If I leave you, Manama broke Amaka, your mother. Nonsense. Go and bring her back.
My daughter, my very beautiful daughter, please listen to what I'm about to tell you. It is obvious that my wife, your stepmother, is not happy that you are still staying with me in this house. I know that a lot of things has gone wrong, but I beg you, please, my daughter Ngozi, do not fight them back. Always love them as your blood family. I know one day for sure they will love you and accept you as their own blood family. I hope you understood what I said.
Yes.
My heart is in
Go. Thank God. Well, I've been looking for you. Oh yeah, come, let's go.
Ujunwa, please just go home, okay? I don't want to see you. Go home.
Manane, you shouldn't have accepted the fall. Yes, what you did was totally uncalled for. Honestly.
Wow. This is what you have to say to me. So I should have just stayed there and done nothing. Watch Mama call you a thief. Okay?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What did you even do with the money? Eh?
I gave the money to my boyfriend. I gave it to him so that he can solve some pressing issues.
Hey, Ju. You mean I'm going through this because of that good-for-nothing boy? Eh?
Bam, please. This one now, I will not take it. Okay? I can't watch you stand there and insult my boyfriend. I don't like it.
But that boy is a vagabond. Why do you keep letting him deceive you? Can't you see?
Ngozi, stop! You're beginning to piss me off right now and I don't like it. Hey. Yes, we are sisters, bonded by the same father. You're supposed to have my interest at heart, support me in everything I do. I don't even know why you don't even like Ebuka, just for no reason.
Well, I am sorry, dear sister. I do not like him. I don't see anything good in that boy.
Are you going with me or not?
Have your mother permitted me to come back home?
Really? Suit yourself then.
Well, bye-bye.
Bye.
Uju? Uju, wait!
Mbano Kamaka, Idaya, you failed. You have no right to chase her out of this house, honestly.
Ned, it's like you didn't hear what I said. She stole from me.
And so what?
Akokwana.
It is not enough reason for you to send her packing out of her father's house. Remember, this is her father's house and she remains here until she gets married.
I cannot harbor a thief in this house. Never.
If that is the case, be ready to have a meeting with Ewe.
Ibobo?
Yes. If he finds out, believe me, he will find you for that. I'm pleading with you, Kamaka. Please look for a way and bring that girl back to this house. To avoid issues with Iwe. Please now. You know what I'm talking about.
Hey, stop there. Okay. Her Excellency, I should greet you.
No.
I should greet you.
Good afternoon, Mama.
The only reason I brought you back to this house is because I don't want to have issues with the Igwe. If not, you will die and your corpse will get rotten inside. Hold your ears. Come on, hold your ears, Onekwenisi. Hold them well. As long as you are in this house, you will not eat my food. You will not drink my water. You will not use anything that belongs to me. I hope you're hearing me. You're listening, Abby?
Yes, Mama.
And from today, your name has changed to Oyo. you are on your own. You heard me? Good. Another thing. Very important. Don't greet me again here. Your greeting nauseates me. Keep your greeting to yourself. Did you hear me?
Okay, Mama.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Don't forget, oh, don't make any mistake.
Yes, Mama.
You try to call him now.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't cry now, don't worry. Stop crying. I promise I'll make her change her mind.
Okay, it won't be as difficult as you're seeing it now. Stop crying.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you for the sacrifice. Oh,
so long I'm here, it's fine.
yes,
Stop that. Are you mad? Something wrong with your head?
Is something wrong with your head? Is that why you slapped me? Is something wrong with your head?
I think there's something definitely wrong with you. You just go about touching women. What is wrong with you? Eh?
Is that why you slapped me?
Yes.
Look at somebody that I'm even trying to help.
Eh?
I'm trying to help you.
Me?
I would have dumped your sister and married you. Hey,
Ebuka. So this is what you do. This is what you go about this village, deceiving young girls that you will marry them, okay?
Ebuka, big boy.
I don't even have anything to say to you. It's my sister that I blame. That you want to marry yourself.
Come on, cut
Have
out.
you fed yourself?
Cut away,
Nah,
you
sorry,
man.
nah.
Cut away.
God bless you, man.
Cut away.
The next time you touch me again, I'll put my hand to your eyes.
Come on, get away.
Look to deceive them. Maybe I tell that in issue.
Look at this one.
You are old, though.
You
If they die, you will save
are the
you.
one who is old. See, I was even trying to help you. You are getting old.
Try and touch me next time.
Look at her.
Idiot.
Mangala, goat.
Cut
away. Cut out.
So you mean my boyfriend has been making passes at you? Would you not once, not twice, multiple times? And you're just telling me? Really?
Understand me.
Understand what?
I didn't want to make you angry.
I am very disappointed. Yes, you should have at least kept it to yourself now, because right now I am angry.
Come now. You wait first now. Wait, let me. You know I will never want to intentionally make you angry. Would you? Now.
You did the right thing by bringing her back home. Hi. That was a very difficult thing for me to do. It's you. Yes. It's still the right thing. It's the right decision. All you should be thinking of is how to get her a suitor. Yes, they will ask her how to marriage. After that, she will no longer be part of your life. Hey! I cannot wait. It's the right thing to do. That's the right thing to do. So, then, do you know of any man who is looking for a wife? I say about a bit of so. Oh, come on. Take it easy now. Only a while. When the time comes, she'll go. Okay. Stay a couple minutes.
How dare you? How dare you make passes at my sister?
Me?
Yes.
Me, Ebuka? Where did you get that from?
What is wrong with you? How can you be this terrible? I thought you loved me.
I'm not getting the whole thing. Where are you getting those information from? That's what I'm
My
saying.
sister confessed to me. She told me you've been making advances at her for a long time now.
Oh, babe, you slapped me for an information you've not confirmed. Your sister just lied against me and you slapped me for such.
My sister cannot lie to me and I believe her.
Wait, babe, you don't believe me, right? Me, Ebuka? Babe, like seriously, is that why you slapped me?
What are you saying? No, what's the meaning of this one now? Are you pretending or what?
What do you mean, babe? I've not even... Okay, let me just open up to you, babe. As a matter of fact, your sister has been the one making advances on... And I just thought there's no need for me to create issues between two sisters. Kai, Ebuka, God, what? I'm telling you, if you want me to swear, I'll swear with anything. I've not even... Me, Ebuka, your sister. That she's more beautiful than you or what? Come on, babe. Seriously, is that why you slapped me?
Ngozi!
I'm here.
Ngozi, how dare you lie to me?
Lie to you?
How dare you? You're such a betrayer.
Hey!
So this has been your plan all along? Huh? To rob me of my man, right?
Juma, what are you saying? I don't understand.
Look at me thinking that you are my blood. Thinking that you are an angel. My mother saw through you. She saw through this pretentious, innocent face.
Me?
Yes!
Ah.
I regret ever trusting you.
Juma, how can you say something like this to me? After all I have done for you, this is what you say to me?
What have you done? What? You took blames that I never solicited for? Huh? Did I ask you to take those blames for me? Did I?
Do not speak to me like that. Do not speak to me like that.
Oh, please. Stop those crocodile tears. Those deceitful tears don't even touch me anymore. Ibura is the bomb, madam, honestly speaking. And I hate you right now. Listen, let me tell you something. Don't you ever come close to me again henceforth. You hear me? Don't you ever come close to me again. Witch.
Would you?
Wolf in sheep clothing.
Would you come first? Let us... What did I do? Wolf in sheep clothing. Me, Ngozi. Papa, this is your fault. This is all your fault, Papa.
It's just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being. In return, you reward me with wickedness.
Nemuko. Nim, I've come to you as a helpless and motherless child. Nim, I was 8 years old when I lost my mother. My father held my hands and brought me to you. He introduced me as his daughter. And ever since that day, I have loved you and seen you as my only mother. But you, on the other hand, you've hated and despised me so much. You have refused to accept me as your daughter. Maybe it's about something that transpired in the past. Maybe my mother or my late father offended you. Maybe it's me. Maybe I keep doing something wrong and I am not aware of it. Whatever it is, please. I have come to ask you to please find a place in your heart and forgive this child of yours. Just forgive me and accept me in your life, please. I'm begging you. I love you so much.
Is this what you have come to tell me? Eh?
Baby Kono.
Baby column history. Ah, Koseka. My husband deceived me. He deceived me into believing I was his first love. I never knew he had already impregnated his classmate. 8 years after, when she died, he stupidly brought you to me. Telling me the truth. And that day I swore that nothing will ever make me like you. That as long as I live, you will never have peace.
But this is not any fault of mine. I never asked to be brought to this house.
But he brought you. He brought you because traditionally, you were supposed to be raised here. I've told you my mind. Nothing will ever make me see you as my child because you are not. Biko, don't spoil my day. Just let me enjoy my small mangoes in peace, Biko.
Please, I beg you.
What is my crime? What did I do wrong?
No, I missed you a lot, though.
I missed you too.
You know I love you, though.
And I love you too.
You sure? Come on, give me. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Ebuka! Ebuka, what are you doing?
Oh, babe, this is my girlfriend. Okay, babe, this is Gineka, my present girlfriend. And this was, yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Ebuka, I caught you with a girl and this is what you say to me?
I don't get it. You think I've been stupid or been blind all this while? You think I don't know that you have more than 2 boyfriends? Oh God, Ebuka, you actually think I'm stupid, right?
I don't understand.
What is it you don't understand? Oh, Jesus. You're pretending now that you don't know that I know that you know that I know that you know that you have more than 1 boyfriend. So now I should... I beg, see...
How dare you? Are you stupid? How dare you?
You slap me.
And I'll slap you again.
I swear to God, if not for one thing, me, Ebuka, I would have bundled you out here without... Try it again. Babe, wait.
No, calm down.
If not for one thing, I swear to God, I would have slapped the hell out of you. Are you okay? Ebuka, I've suffered. Slapping me for what? Think I don't know all the things you've been doing? Think I'm stupid? This tears is not easy today. We started saying tears. Alright, babe, come on, let's go. Next time, try and slap me. What I will do to you, if not for one thing, I know why.
You are grateful. You are worth in sheep clothing. You are grateful. You are worth in sheep clothing. You are part that cause get luck. I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied. You made me do all this, yet you're not satisfied. I showed you through love.
Okay, why are you crying now? Who made you cry? What is it?
Ebuka left me.
Hey, I told you. Sorry. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you. I thought you were lying and you were jealous of me.
I would never ever lie to you, Uju. I want what's best for you. But you have to stop crying. You see, God will judge him. As a matter of fact, it's his loss. You're a very beautiful woman. So he has just lost a very beautiful woman. Don't cry, don't mind me.
He slapped me.
Is he?
Umarakanti, he slapped me and told me that I am not good for him.
Chelukwao, Ebuka raised his hands and he landed on your cheek.
Yes.
He slapped you. Don't, just clear your eyes. I'll be right back. Okay. He slapped you. Okay.
I sacrificed all for you, yet you're not satisfied. I took blames for your sake, yet you're not satisfied. I carried your cross.
What? What's this one? Let me see what's this now? I can't stand. If I stand up here,
what? You will not do anything.
If people can stand up here, I'll kill somebody. I'll kill somebody. One, I'll count 3. 1.
Nonsense. He thinks he's the only one that is mad. Next time you lay your hand on my sister, I will remove his teeth. Idiot. Don't mind him.
Sister.
What is it again?
Sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you. Please, Barum, Biko.
Hey, would you stand up? Stand up. How can you be kneeling for your own sister? Who am I that you are kneeling down for?
I know I really hurt you. I don't deserve to be called your sister.
You deserve to be called my sister and more. You are my beloved sister. And I love you so much.
Does that mean you've forgiven me?
Of course, yes. I have forgiven you. Come here. You know when you were angry, I knew you said those hurtful words out of anger and you didn't mean them. I forgive you. Oh,
thank you.
My baby.
Did you beat him?
Ah!
Hi, welcome to my house. Now, welcome. Oh. Hey, no. Ned, no. Oh.
Thank you.
Ngozi!
Mama!
Wetaji!
Oh!
Hey, no, biko. No.
No.
Thank you.
Auntie, she don't want.
She's still.
No, cola. We have cola.
Thank you, Ma.
Have a good orgy. But before we cut this cola, I want to introduce this young man I came with.
Okay.
His name is Fred. He's a businessman based in Asaba. He recently lost his father.
Yeah, sorry. No.
He was a business mogul. And he's set to take over his father's business empire as a CEO. So, Fred, meet my bosom friend, Okamaka.
Nice to meet you, Ma.
No, welcome.
Yes, Ma.
He's a fine boy.
Always.
No, Oji is biko.
Fred, did you like what you said?
Yes, Auntie, she's perfect.
I know you will like
She's
it.
perfect.
Ned. I can see you have done your homework well.
Don't you trust me?
Oji, oh.
I'm fine. Thank you.
How just you say you're fine?
Auntie, okay.
Here.
Thank you.
Ned. Oh. Omakakwa. We're very fine, man.
Thank you very much, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
No.
So, tell me about yourself. Little things about you, your education.
I lost my father when I was 10 years old.
I'm so sorry. So sorry.
It's okay. Presently, I'm in SS2, secondary school.
That's a good one. Well done. So, do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have a younger sister.
Oh.
Her name is Uju. She's very beautiful. There she is. Uju, your hair is fine.
Good day, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
My name is Fred.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Please, you can call me Fred instead of the sir, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Who is he?
He's a friend of mine.
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, Uju. Your sister is actually beautiful.
Yes, she's very beautiful. So tell me, what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
Good day, Auntie. What's going on?
Oh, that young man is seeking your sister's hand in marriage.
What?
Lekebukwa what? Huh?
It's nothing.
Okay.
Auntie, no.
Go and eat.
Mama, what's going on? Am I still your daughter? Or you now see Ngozi in me?
I don't understand.
How? Okay. I am talking about the young man that came asking for Ngozi's hand in marriage.
Fred.
Yes. Mama, how can you see something good coming into this family and you decided to divert it to somebody else? Don't I deserve something good? Your own daughter.
I still cannot get your point.
Mother, that man came asking for Ngozi's hand in marriage. And you decided to give it to her, that rich man. You decided to give it to Ngozi instead of me. Your only daughter. I thought you wanted the best for me.
Of course. You are my beloved child, and I'll do everything to make you happy. Now, sit down. I just want you to be happy. You see what is going on? Forget it. I've been looking for a way to get rid of that girl, so that we will have our lives to ourselves. So I started telling all my friends, including Ned, to look for any kind of man. Any man, my bricklayer, my carpenter, let them come and marry her off. I didn't know that Ned would bring a man as rich as Fred. But it's okay. Let him marry her, let her go.
Hi. Mama, if not that your name was written in my birth certificate, I would have said you're not my mother. That is, maybe you adopted me. Because I don't understand. Mother, did you see the car that man brought to this house? Did you see the car? Did you see how fresh he is looking? That man oozes of money, Mama. That man, Diego. And you want to give it to Ngozika?
Abianuju, calm down. A better man will come. A richer man will come. A fresher man. A finer man will come for you at the right time. Leave Ngozi to go. Oh? Let her just go. Let her carry her problems and go. Don't worry. Your own will come at the right time. Oh?
Mama, what if he doesn't come?
Hey! How can you be this negative now? When he will come. Your own will come.
No.
Oh?
Mama, Mba. I need to have that man. See, Fred is mine. I need to have him now.
Modi go quality. Because he's coming in few days for Ngozi.
Mama, you will do something about it.
Guinea?
You will do something about it.
There's nothing I can do. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. Because let her just go. Let her go.
You are woven ship loading. You are pot that cause kettle black. I sacrifice all for you, yet you're not satisfied.
There you are. Ujunwa, food is ready. Come and eat.
I'm not hungry.
I know. But you've been like this since morning. You can't remain like this. You have to eat food.
Ngozi, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go and serve Mama the food. After you're now her favorite daughter. You both of you should just leave me alone. I don't want you people in my life anymore.
Hey, Ujunwa, it is me you are talking to. Your sister. Don't say that. Now it's not fair.
What is not fair is Mama giving you to a man that rightfully belongs to me.
But he came for me.
That's not true. Mama gave him to you. You can't fool me. Mama chose him for you.
You want the man, right?
Yes, I want him.
You know how I always want what's best for you. Anything to make you happy. You can have him.
You will leave him for me?
Of course. Come on, Uju.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. Whatever makes you happy makes me happy. So tell me, are you going to eat now?
You requested for a meeting.
Yes, Barrister. I'm thrilled to inform you that I'm getting married soonest. Wow. Yes.
This really sounds pretty good. I'm really happy for you. You see, it has always been my wish that you take the title of the CEO of your late father's company. Rather than your younger brother, Osita, try to take that position from you simply because you don't have a wife and a child of your own.
Thank you, Barrister. Thank you for your support.
Don't mention I'm only doing my job here. You need to hurry up with the marriage ceremony, get your wife pregnant. To further interest you on this, your younger brother has been coming here demanding for his right. And your late father and I both agreed. I told him the will cannot be read until after 5 years, as your father and I have signed. So you need to do all that you needed to do, so you can take the title position of the CEO of your late father's company, simply because you don't have a wife of your own. That's why Osita has been making frantic effort to take this position from you.
I've heard what you said, Barrister, and it's already in place. And once again, I want to say thank you, at least for all your support and standing by me. I don't take it for granted.
You're welcome. I'm only doing my job.
Thank you very much.
Same here, my brother.
Mama, I have decided to give up on my chances of marrying Fred and let Ujunwa here marry him instead.
Huh? This is beautiful. I didn't know you were going to say, my daughter.
Mama. You know, but Mama, this will only happen if you permit it.
I have permitted.
Eh.
I have permitted.
Because I know you want me to marry Fred. But Ujunwa here said she wants him, so let her have him.
Chai, you tried. Eh? Hey, I never expected you to say this. I've been thinking of how to present this thing to you.
Don't take again.
Thank you very much. You're happy now?
Yes, Mama, I'm happy. My sister is the best sister in the whole world.
She is.
Mama, the biggest problem you have now is, what are we going to tell Fred when he comes?
It's very easy now. Make yourself unavailable. If he does not see you anymore, he will not have any other option but to settle for your sister.
You're right, Mama.
You got to go?
You're right.
You're a good girl.
Thank you.
You have done well.
Thank you, Mama.
Chai.
Sister, thank you.
You're lucky to have a kind-hearted sister like Ngozi.
Very lucky. I love you.
Chai.
I love you too.
Chai. Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Mama? Mama, I don't understand. What do you mean by she left the house?
My dear. You know, I did not tell you much about her. Sometimes she behaves like somebody whose brain is not functioning well. Somebody whose battery has been removed. When a Weber score.
Mama, please explain to me. I really don't get what you're saying now.
Okay. Like I said, it's her the Charayama. She woke up one morning and told me that she's going to her mother's place. Just like that.
Her mother's place? Wait, are you not her mother?
No, I'm her stepmother. You see that one beside you there? She is the only biological child I have. And she's ready to be a better replacement. Nah, it took me time to convince her. You understand? So that you will not be disappointed. Ayoka Mia Biko.
Yeah. You're a very handsome man. It will be a pleasure becoming your wife. And I promise you, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Type.
Auntie, I was actually surprised when she told me Ngozi is no longer living with them.
I was surprised as well.
Oh, I don't just understand. She even offered me her other daughter as an alternative. But the truth is, Ngozi I won't.
I understand. Ujoma is prettier than Ngozi. That's why she's the better option for you.
You think so?
It's what I know, not what I think. Besides, you know why you're getting married to her in the first place.
Auntie, you're right. I guess I would have to begin the whole marriage rites as soon as possible. I knew I could always count on you.
I'll always do it for you. What
it's
else?
Okay, it's okay. My mind is calm now since you are on my side.
Always be.
Alright, no problem. Let's just go. So, as you can see, this is my home board.
Yeah, the place is so fine.
You like it?
Yes, so I love it.
Okay.
You're a big boy. Fine house.
It's okay. So, I have to show you all the places.
No, I'm tired. You're showing me everywhere. This house is like I was lost inside. Show me so many places in this house.
Okay, I'm always going to your room. Come on. I know you feel free. Why?
Thank you.
Okay. Come on.
Hi. You're a big boy.
Come here.
Told you was living in this house alone.
Well, yes. What do you mean?
Now it's a big both of us.
Of course. And our children.
Yay.
Exactly.
So stay close.
Very comfortable with this, sir.
Me, I'm comfortable with calling you sir.
Oh.
It's alright. No problem then. My love, I would quickly go in and freshen up, okay?
Baby, not without your new wife now. Take her upstairs, get things rolling already.
But she's just coming in. She has to settle in at least.
Settle her in your room. Take her to go and settle her in.
Sis, I should...
You have my permission. Follow him. Follow him and go and freshen up in the room. He will take you to go and freshen up. Just promise me that you will not disappoint me.
No, Mban, I won't.
Are you sure? Okay, I trust him. Stand up.
Shall we?